Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use scale feature. First, go to insert, go to feature, click scale feature, and now you have two parameters, scale above parameter and scaling parameter. For scale above parameter I choose origin. You can choose others, but in this case I choose origin. In scaling parameter, you can insert what number do you want. For example, if you want to make the part bigger, then we insert more than one number, maybe 2 or 3. In this case I choose 2, and after that click OK. See, the part is that bigger before. See, the diameter is 93. After scale, the diameter is 186. See, and now if you want to reduce the part, just do like this. Go to scale again. In scaling parameter, insert less than one number. For example, I insert 0.5 and click OK. See, the part is small before. See, 93. Now the diameter is 46.5 mm. See, now you know how to use scale. That is Quick Tips. See ya.